In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create tags in LearnWorlds, which will help you categorize your courses more effectively, making it easier for your students to navigate and discover content. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know how to master tagging in LearnWorlds like a pro. First off, let's dive into how to actually create tags. Tags are essential for helping you organize your content and making your courses more accessible. To get started, log into your LearnWorlds account and head over to the Courses section. You'll see a list of all the courses you've created, and here's where the magic happens. Next thing, click on the specific course you want to tag. Once you're inside the course editor, scroll down to find a Tags option, which is usually located under the course description or settings section. If you can't find it immediately, don't worry. It's usually hidden under a few drop-down menus, so just keep an eye out. Click on Add Tags, and you're ready to go. The fourth thing you need to know is how to actually enter the tags. Tags are typically short keywords that are relevant to the content of your course. For example, if you're teaching a course on digital marketing, you might add tags like SEO, PPC, or social media. Think of tags as keywords that describe your course, so it shows up in search results when students are looking for related topics. Now, once you've entered your tags, don't forget to hit the Save button. It's easy to overlook the step, but if you don't save your tags, they won't be applied to your course. Next thing, I want to mention that LearnWorlds allows you to use multiple tags per course. This is great because it lets you get as specific as you want. The more precise your tags are, the easier it will be for learners to find the exact content they're looking for. Just remember not to overdo it with too many tags, as it can clutter your course page and confuse your students. The last thing to keep in mind is how tags can impact your course visibility. Tags aren't just for organization, they're also great for SEO. So, when you're picking your tags, choose wisely. Use keywords that are likely to be searched by your target audience. This helps improve your course's discoverability, which is critical for attracting more learners. At this point, you now know how to create tags in LearnWorlds. But here's the thing, while LearnWorlds is great for organizing your content, there are a few other platforms that may better suit your goals depending on your needs. If you're looking for something with even more robust features, you might want to check out some of its competitors. I've got an exclusive offer for you to try LearnWorlds with an extended free trial through our link. But wait, I also have some alternatives for you that might be a better fit for your specific goals. These options also offer free trials, and you'll get the best benefits only available through our viewers. Check the link in the description for all the details and grab the best offer tailored for you.